San Bernardino County is 20,000 square miles. We service all the departments that the county is servicing the people to. So you had kind of a perfect storm of issues, of antiquated product that you'd have to go miles and miles for to service. It wasn't efficient at all. It was costing more money than it was, helping.
We didn't have any standards, so it became difficult to do things in certain buildings with the controls that we had.
We would get a phone call into our dispatch center saying that a room or an area would be hot, and we'd have to drive up there blind, not knowing what is actually wrong with it. So I'd drive an hour and a half to the building, assess the situation, I have to drive back because there's no distributors at those remote areas, get parts, and drive an hour and a half back. So we have 6 hours of drive time. We'd hear the banter in the background, up there here, it'll get fixed later. I get 4 work requests in a day, and it's like, oh my gosh, these are all over, and I'm never gonna finish. I'm never going home.
When I was hired here, it was, what can you do to maximize value, improve service, and maximize efficiency?
So it became evident that we needed a way to manage our facilities, so we looked to Siemens to take the infrastructure that we had and upgrade it to the current technology so we could do it remotely. Do it from the office, we can do it from a car, we can do it from home.
So Siemens Building Technologies partnered with the County of San Bernardino's Facility Management Division to develop a long-term technology roadmap. We help them understand what their needs are in each of their county-owned facilities. The Siemens Facility Prime mobile solution gave the county remote capability to really control their buildings from far-off locations. This provided in-depth control and monitoring of different systems to the county in different buildings through just a click of a button. The challenges faced by society and cities today are daunting and complex. These challenges for Siemens are opportunities for human progress. We call it ingenuity for life.
This is our Siemens centralized system. I'm at the helm of all of our buildings and seeing what's going on, and we can turn on and off equipment manually or have the system do it for us, which is what we have in place now. We haven't been able to do that before.
It's a big game changer because where it took before sometimes to drive 90 minutes one way to change a setting, now we can do it in a matter of seconds.
Okay, up in High Desert Government Center, we just had crack 13, the hand auto switch just went into alarm. I instantly pulled up the graphic. I can see that it's in alarm right now, so I can call our dispatch to call the AC technician that's stationed up there.
We identified real-world business problems that the county faced, and then we came up with customized solutions that solved those problems, and we were able to conceive it and prove it, and ultimately they're benefiting from it right now.
Working for one of the largest engineering companies in the world and managing one of the largest counties in the United States was certainly a spectacular feeling. The fact that we could help them save almost $250,000 in savings through energy, natural gas, over time, really gives us the sense of pride when we look at these buildings. Through this project, we were able to cut down on carbon emissions and really help make the county residents live in a better environment, in a better condition.
We currently have Siemens technology in 26 buildings, and we would absolutely be looking to expand that.
It's really revolutionary. I have other operators that work for different counties, and when they see what we can do, they're just blown away. This technology is the future. It just keeps getting better and better.